Hello, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ahmed Beher and I'm an MS student in US because Mehran University, Yamshuru. Today, my topic is surface water treatment plan proposed for the Sukkur city. So, I propose this for my hometown. The content of today's introduction, study area, water demand methodology, site layout, and water supply. Moving ahead, introduction. As you know, the fresh water is essential for the human life and for its survival. The concern for the globe is its quality is deteriorate day by day. You know, the availability of the fresh water in the world is less than one. Is less than one. So that's why it's a great concern. In the case of Pakistan, in Pakistan, the quality of the water is day by day deteriorating due to two factors. One is industrialization, and next one is the rapid growth of populations. In the case of industrializations, chemicals, industries, and fertilizers and other units, they don't leave their stone unturned to pollute the water. And also, there's another source which pollute the water bodies, which is the households. Now come to the study area. So Sukkur is the third largest city in the province of Sindh. Its border are with the Khairpur district, Shikarpur Ghotki, and Kandakot. The total area of the Sukkur city is 5,165 kilometers, whereas its population is 5,34,000 up to date. The rate of population is 1.5, which is very fatal. So these are the figures where the population of the city will be higher in 2025 and 2015. So you can see the Sukkur city in the whole map of the country. So next is water demand. So these are the figures which are calculated from some formulas, the present population demand of the water and the future. So I take 2025 the present population because my project which I want to propose is it takes few years to move from the construction phase. So that's why when the plant will come into effect, so it will be year from 2025. So this is the composition of my water which I take from the river Indus. So these are the parameters. So next is treatment train. So the treatment train for my proposed project is sedimentation tank, rapid mixture, flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, and disinfection with proper compounds, storage and supply. This is the first step of my treatment trains for my proposed design. So the water which I take from the river Indus, it is allowed to pass through the screen chambers in order to stop and prevent the large particles, and then is allowed for pre-sedimentation tanks. So in my project, so there are three basins where the raw water is tank is raised, and then the settling velocity of each tank is 0.065 meter per second. So these are the dimensions which I propose, such as the wet depth means the depth up to which the water will come 3 meters and 5.85 meters. Total depth width and 38.0 So next is rapid mixtures. So rapid mixture, in other words, we can say the coagulation tanks. So the process in coagulation where we choose a chemical element remove the suspended and colloidal particles from raw water. So the detention time is 5 seconds, having the total volume of the tank is 13.15 cubic meter, whereas the diameter of the tank is 1 meter, length is 4.1. So next, the water is allowed to pass, the element of water is allowed to pass from the flocculation tank. The flocculation is process uses vertical turbines to reduce the influence, where the detention time is 24,000 seconds through 5 trains of the basins per train. Each basin has a volume of 315.6 cubic meters. So the flocculant we use here is polymer. So next is the very important uh, part of the project is that is sedimentation. So there are 3 tanks. The area of each tank is 9017 meters square, with a dimension of 15 meter wide, 60 meter long, and the weight of and depth of 4 meters. Each basin has a retention time 1317 seconds. So the sludge which accumulated in each unit of the sedimentation tank in the bottom is collected from the bottom with the help of conveyor belt. So next is the filtration. So the dual filtration media, my dual filtration media is consist of the gravel, anthracite, and sand. 0.5 meter depth of gravel is supported for the sand, which is whose depth is 0.5 meter, and then 1 meter depth of the anthracite, which is lighter than the rest of the media. And the flow rate of the cleaning water will be 15 cubic meter per hour, whereas the for the backwash it is fixed at 50 cubic meters. So this is the final step, my treatment tank. This is a disinfection. As you know, the river water contains many biological contaminants such as the E. coli, Cryptosporidium, Salmonella. So to remove such a biological contaminants, we use chlorine as a disinfectant. So I choose chlorine because chlorine is very effective to remove such a contaminants from the raw waters. So alum, the dosage of the chlorine which I calculate is 2.1 milligram per liter under a temperature of 25. So this is the layout of my project.